Roundabout in Germany can be a little tricky, but in this video we're going to see exactly how you can perfect it. The cars that are inside the roundabout, they have priority. So that is very, very important to know. So that means if there are cars already inside the roundabout driving, then just definitely give them way first and then you enter. So approaching a roundabout, there's a car, but that is exiting towards my side. Another one, same thing. There are no cars inside this roundabout at the moment, so we're going to enter. So this car has to wait, the black one, because I was inside the roundabout. So these roundabouts basically could have a bicycle or pedestrian path before you enter the roundabout. So make sure to follow that. So this is a good example. So pedestrians are walking by. Let them walk by and then we're going to enter. So they have walked by, no other pedestrians, no other bicycles. And this is on the entry of the roundabout. On the exit of the roundabout, there's another pedestrian bicycle way. Need to look out, no one is there. All right, can move ahead without a problem. You don't do indication when you enter the roundabout in Germany. You do an indication when you exit it. So there's a roundabout. First of all, we're going to wait. Maybe that car needs to pass. Nope, it's exiting from the other side. So we have the way here. So I haven't done any indication. I'm going to do now. So now I have indicated while exiting the roundabout. So approached another roundabout, looking out for cars. Now we're going to enter the roundabout. And yeah, make sure when you exit the roundabout and when you indicate to the right hand side, because obviously it makes sense, yeah, because we're exiting from the right hand side. There is a roundabout in Germany which is actually called unreal roundabout. So it's actually not a roundabout because there won't be any roundabout traffic sign before it, but it will look like roundabout because there will be 4 sides to exit, just like a normal roundabout. So make sure that you look out for the roundabout sign. If there's no roundabout sign, then the rules are different. Then the famous right for left rule will be there. Which we can talk about in another video. It's a very famous German traffic rule, rechts for links, and that is valid in an unreal roundabout because that's just another normal road. It's not an actual roundabout. Roundabout is only when there's a roundabout traffic sign before you enter it. Also, make sure you never enter the roundabout and turn left. Like that's a big no-no. So just make sure you never do that. So this seems to be a little busy roundabout. So stopping right here. No pedestrians, no bicycles. Let's go ahead. Any cars inside roundabout? Yes. So now we can enter. And now we can exit by indicating to the right hand side.